Hi guys, let's make salted caramel ice cream. In a bowl, I will add 1 cup of whipping cream. I will whisk the whipping cream until I get a fluffy texture. Once done, I will add a 1/3 cup of condensed milk and a 1/3 cup of salted caramel. I will fold that together until it is well combined. Once it's well combined, I'll transfer the mixture into a baking tin. I will then drizzle more salted caramel mixture and mix gently. I will then cover it and freeze it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is the final result. I will then scoop the ice cream. It had such a lovely texture. I will drizzle more salted caramel, then serve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to try and let me know how it turns out.